Stop. Before you throw away that banana peel, you might be throwing away gold. In my previous video, I had shared how I harvested fresh bananas from my garden, and because it's peak summer, they ripen so fast that many of them started turning black due to the heat. Now, honestly, what do we usually do? We think they are spoiled and we throw them away. But here's the truth, those overripe bananas and their peels are actually more powerful than fresh ones. Instead of wasting them, today I'm going to show you three amazing ways to use them. Number one, liquid fertilizer for instant plant boost, powder fertilizer for long term soil health, and third, a natural face pack using overripe bananas. So, this is not just gardening, this is zero waste. Hello, friends, welcome to Hub to 81, your own green corner, where we grow, harvest, and create everything naturally from our backyard. From soil to soul, let's nurture life together. Friends, before we begin, tell me in the comments, have you ever thrown away overripe bananas? In most homes, especially during summer, bananas ripen too fast and go black. Gardeners often say, my plants are not flowering, I don't want to use chemicals. But we forget our kitchen itself is a treasure of nutrients. If you love fruits, juices, and gardening like I do, then you already have everything you need at home. Let's turn this waste into something truly valuable. Now, let's start with the quickest and most effective method, your banana peel liquid fertilizer. This is perfect when your plants look dull, weak, or are not flowering properly because this works like an instant energy drink for plants. Now let's have a look at what you need. 2-3 banana peels, even overripe ones, work perfectly. 1 liter water, a glass jar or bottle. I'm using a 5 liter PET bottle, so accordingly I will take more bananas. First, take your banana peels and cut them into small pieces. Smaller pieces is equal to more nutrients released faster. Now put these pieces into a jar and pour about 1 liter of water over them. Close the lid and let it sit for 24 to 48 hours. During this time, something interesting happens. The nutrients like potassium, phosphorus, and calcium slowly leach into the water, and after 1-2 days, you will notice the water turning slightly brownish. That's your nutrient rich liquid getting ready. Now simply strain it and your fertilizer is ready.
3 days later.
Friends, nature never creates waste, it only creates cycles. A banana peel that we casually throw away today has the power to nourish a plant, enrich the soil, and even take care of our skin. It's not about having more resources, it's about using what we already have wisely. If every home starts taking small steps like this, we won't just grow plants, we'll grow a more sustainable future. Friends, let's understand how to use it. Don't use it directly. Always dilute it with equal amount of water, 1:1 ratio. Then pour it gently near the roots of your plants. Use it once a week for best results. Avoid pouring on leaves to prevent fungal issues. What results to expect? Within a few weeks, you will start noticing more flowers blooming, healthier and greener leaves, stronger plant growth, especially for plants like hibiscus, roses, and flowering plants. This works wonders. Now, this one is not for your plants, this one is for you. Especially in these hot summer days, our skin goes through a lot: sun exposure, dryness, tanning, and dullness. And just like our plants need nourishment, your skin needs it too. So instead of throwing those soft, overripe bananas, let's turn them into a cooling, natural face pack. Let's take note of the ingredients: 1 overripe banana, 1 teaspoon honey, few drops of lemon, optional for oily skin. I'm taking more bananas as we have more members. You too can take, considering how many members you have. Preparation: take the overripe banana, mash it nicely into a smooth paste. Now add honey, which helps in moisturizing and soothing the skin. If your skin feels oily or tanned due to summer, add a few drops of lemon. Mix everything well and your natural face pack is ready. How to use it? Apply it evenly on your face and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Then rinse with normal water. Instantly, your skin feels softer, fresher, and more hydrated. Friends, here I would love to give you a bonus tip. Now, here's something very simple but powerful. During summers, our body loses a lot of energy because of heat and dehydration. That's why we naturally feel like eating bananas, because they give instant energy and help the body recover. But just like the fruit nourishes your body from inside, the peel can nourish your skin from outside too. Take the inner side of the banana peel and gently rub it on your face or on tanned areas. You can use it especially after coming back from the sun when your skin feels dry or irritated. Why it's perfect for summer? Gives Because it gives a natural cooling effect, helps soothe sun exposed skin, adds instant hydration to dull, tired skin, helps with mild tanning. It's like a quick natural skin refresh after a hot summer day. So next time when you eat a banana for energy, don't forget the peel still has something to offer. That's it in today's video. Hope this video helps you fight sunburn and help you gain maximum bloom in flowering plants. If you found this sharing useful, please like, comment and subscribe to Uptuber81 and share this with someone who loves plants and natural living.